Hey everybody, it's Alyssa with WDW Bound, and today we are talking about all things Halloween treats at Magic Kingdom and all the other parks located at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. So the first place we're going to start is Magic Kingdom Park, and we're going to talk about the Mickey Cinnamon Roll. This is available at Main Street Bakery, and this is a Mickey-shaped cinnamon roll drizzled with orange and white icing. This is a returning favorite and has been at the parks the last couple years. Next is going to be the cinnamon donuts that you can get at Pecos Bill Tall Tale Inn that is served in Hitchhiking Ghost novelty containers. Also located at Pecos Bill are the Hades Nachos, which are black bean nacho chips with fiery buffalo chicken, lettuce, tomato, sour cream, salsa, and jalapeno. And then last, but certainly not least, is Constance's For Better or For Worse wedding cake. This is another returning favorite. We had this last year. This is available at Liberty Square Market. It is a citrus cake with raspberry Bavarian cream, whipped cream, flowers, and a chocolate axe. Right next door, available at Sleepy Hollow, is the Pumpkin Spiced Waffle Sundae, which is pumpkin spice flavored waffles topped with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, caramel drizzle, and sprinkles. Located at Storybook Treats is the Poor Unfortunate Souls Float. This is cream cheese soft serve, black raspberry syrup, and Coca-Cola. Available at Anti-Gravity's in Tomorrowland is the Pumpkin Spice Milkshake. This is topped with whipped cream, caramel drizzle, sprinkles, and a Mickey-shaped marshmallow straw. Also located at Anti-Gravity's is the Pumpkin Spice Soft Serve Sundae, which is served as a sundae topped with whipped cream, caramel, and sprinkles. Located nearby at Cosmic Rays is the Mickey Monster Mash Burger. This is a burger with cheese, potato barrels, bacon, and sriracha aioli. If you head to Adventureland and find yourself in front of Sunshine Tree Terrace, definitely check out the Headless Horseman rides again. This is a strawberry Dole Whip with Fanta, strawberry, and a Headless Horseman novelty straw. Located at Pinocchio Village House, you will find the Not So Poison Apple Cupcake. This is another returning favorite. This is a spiced apple cupcake with pecan crunch buttercream. Moving on to other non-edible collectibles, you will also be able to find the Oogie Boogie Dice Novelty Glow Cubes at various quick service restaurants to accompany your various drinks. There are also lots of new and returning popcorn bucket options this year as well. The first is going to be the Jack Skellington Sipper. This is available in Magic Kingdom, as well as the Oogie Boogie Premium Popcorn Bucket, which is also located in Magic Kingdom, as well as Epcot. You should also be able to find the Mickey Pumpkin Popcorn Bucket at various popcorn carts, as well as the Halloween-based popcorn bucket. They're also going to have new and returning sippers this year. So the first one is going to be the Hitchhiking Ghost Sipper. This is located at various quick service restaurants, as well as the brand new Madame Leota Sipper. This is located specifically at Sleepy Hollow in Magic Kingdom. So outside of Magic Kingdom, there's also going to be plenty of spooky treats for you. At Epcot, you will find themed Halloween cupcakes, as well as the green Cauldron popcorn bucket. This is located at Epcot, as well as Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. Spooky treats will be in no short supply at Animal Kingdom. You'll be able to find the Scar cupcake at Creature Comforts, Flame Tree Barbecue, and Restaurantosaurus. This is a red velvet cupcake with toasted marshmallow filling, chocolate marshmallow frosting, chocolate pebbles, and white chocolate flames. Holy moly. Also located at Flame Tree Barbecue and the Isle of Java is the Spooky Apple Punch Specialty Beverage. This is a non-alcoholic beverage with Sprite and Monin apple syrup poured over iced, garnished with rock candy apple straw, a gummy worm, and a novelty poison apple glow cube. If you're looking for something a little boozy, you'll also find at Flame Tree Barbecue the Rotten Apple Punch, the alcoholic version. This is Angry Orchard and Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey over ice, garnished with a rock candy apple straw, and also includes a poison apple glow cube. Also scattered throughout the parks, you should be able to find the Tire Pumpkin Novelty Straw. This is available in Animal Kingdom, as well as Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Speaking of Hollywood Studios, there will be plenty of Halloween goodies there as well. You'll find the Poisoned Candy Apple. This is going to be available at the Trolley Car Cafe, which is the Starbucks. And this is apple and caramel mousse covered in a red glaze with a crunchy candy base. Located at Pizza Rizzo is going to be the pumpkin cheesecake cannoli. That sounds pretty self-explanatory. It's a cannoli filled with pumpkin cheesecake mixed with hazelnut praline crunch in a cannoli shell. If you're near Tower of Terror, make sure to check out the pumpkin tiramisu at Rosie's All-American Cafe. This is layers of cream, mascarpone, and spiced pumpkin cake. Head on over to Backlot Express. You will find the Box of Bones chocolate eclair. Also pretty self-explanatory. This is a chocolate eclair with dark chocolate mousse and white chocolate bones. And last but certainly not least, if you're looking for a nice cool beverage, they have a frozen apple cider, which is available as alcoholic or non-alcoholic. This can be found at Rosie's All-American Cafe, Backlot Express, and Pizza Rizzo. So there you go. There's just a taste, no pun intended, of all the spooky treats that you can find at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. We hope you're excited as we are to try all these awesome new treats and some returning favorites. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you have not already. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.